This is why I sing. Singing calms me down almost instantly because it floods my brain with stress-relieving hormones like oxytocin. It grounds me firmly in the moment so I don't have to think about the past or the future. And by doing that, it makes me feel completely alive. In other words, it brings me back to myself. Singing is a way to know yourself on an intimate, immediate level. This is a time when most of us are feeling anxious and disconnected, looking for a deeper way to express ourselves. Singing provides all of that. This is why I sing. Like a bolt out of the blue, fate steps in and sees you through. When you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. This is why I sing. What I've seen again and again is that many people who believe they can't sing have simply never had a chance to explore their voice in a way that felt safe, kind, and unforced. That's why I'm opening a 12-week live Zoom experience called Singing for People Who Believe They Can't, a safe, supportive, non-judgmental space where we can rebuild comfort and confidence singing to one another, and at a pace that respects where each person is. If you'd like to reconnect with singing in a way that feels unforced, human, and grounded in curiosity rather than expectation, and explore the confidence that can come with that, you can learn more at the link below.